Hello friends, it's Brandy with My Creative Scrapbook, and today I am creating a new layout using the July main kit. This kit features the Vicky Booten cut and paste line, but it also includes this adorable stamp set from Bo Bunny, and I knew right away that I had to include these stamps onto my layout. So here I'm just doing a practice run, and I've already marked where my photo is going to go so I can put the stamps where I need them, just peeking out of the edges of the photo. This background patterned paper that I've chosen has done a lot of the work for me, so this layout comes together very quickly. I'm just going to finish stamping up, and then I'm going to start embellishing. That wraps up another layout. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. Be sure to check out all of the beautiful kits over at My Creative Scrapbook. You'll find the link in the video description below. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions or just want to say hi, feel free to leave a comment below. Wishing you a lovely crafty day. Bye-bye.